Hi students, myself Saket, and today I am going to discuss on very complicated and somewhat confusing topic called as the Km value. So you all know that what is the Km value? It is the Michaelis-Menten constant that is represented by Km. Michaelis-Menten constant represented by the Km. Before starting this, one general thing I want to discuss you that you all know that for any reaction the substrate should bind to the active site of the enzyme, and after that what will happen, the rate of reaction will increase because enzymes are what biocatalyst and they increases the rate of reaction. So what is the Km or Michaelis-Menten constant? So Michaelis-Menten constant is what? The concentration of substrate at which the reaction attain half of its maximum velocity. Okay, so whatever is the maximum velocity of reaction, to reach up to the half of that maximum velocity, not maximum velocity, half of that maximum velocity, how much concentration or how much amount of substrate we need to make the reaction to reach up to half of this maximum velocity, that is called as what? Km value. So once more I am telling the definition of Km value. The concentration, Km is what? Concentration of substrate required in the reaction so that the reaction should attain half of the maximum velocity, Vmax by 2. For example, if you see this graph here y-axis is showing the velocity of reaction, and this downward side, this x-axis is showing the Km value, that means the concentration of substrate. So here we are having the two reactions. This is what? Reaction A, this is what? Reaction B. So I will come on it later, but before this, one thing I want to clarify here, the value of Km is inversely proportional to the velocity of reaction or rate of reaction. Okay, the Km value is inversely proportional to the rate of reaction or velocity of reaction. Suppose if the value of Km will increase, then obviously the velocity of reaction will what? Decrease. Okay, if value of Km will increase, then velocity of reaction will decrease. Or else in another word you can also say that the Km is inversely proportional to enzymatic activity. If the value of Km will be more, the activity of enzyme will be less. Why? Because if value of Km is more, that means we need more large concentration of substrate to reach the speed of reaction half of its maximum value. Okay, that's why if value of Km is more, that means more concentration of substrate we require to reach up to the half of the maximum velocity of reaction. Understood? That's why if Km value will be more, velocity of reaction or rate of reaction or enzymatic activity should be less, and vice versa. Okay, and here we are having the two reaction A and reaction B. Okay, so in this reaction A and reaction B, okay, what is happening? See, the Km value is what? 1 for what? Reaction A, and Km value is 2 for what? Reaction B. So here with only 1, okay, here I am writing 1 gram, here I am writing 2 gram. To reach up to this point is what? This point is Vmax by 2, means half of the maximum velocity. If you see here, this is the maximum velocity and this is what? Half of the maximum velocity, that is what? Vmax by 2. To reach up to this point, okay, reaction A requires only 1 gram of substrate. Okay, to reach up to this point, this reaction B requires how much? 2 gram of the substrate. That means the Km value is less for what? Reaction A. Okay, and Km value is more, 2 gram for what? This reaction B. By here we can say that the affinity between substrate and enzyme is more in reaction A. Okay, affinity means what? Affection, love. Okay, so the love or affection between enzyme and substrate, if it is high, then what will happen? Km value will be low. So Km value, Michaelis-Menten constant, is also a measure to determine the affinity or love between what? Substrate and enzyme. Okay, if Km value will be more, like this B reaction, the affinity or love between the substrate and enzyme is what? Very, very less. If Km value is low, okay, then what will happen? The affinity between substrate and enzyme will be what? Very high. because of that what happen, the velocity of reaction will be increases very much. Okay, so please keep this in mind. So Km is a measure of affinity between the enzyme and substrate, and Km is inversely proportional to the velocity of reaction. Okay, and enzyme and substrate affinity is very good, then reaction will go in very fast way. In this way what will happen, the value of Km will decrease and vice versa. I hope you all understood. Thank you.